I've been longing to go on this vacation in the mountains alone forever. And then I get this message. The mailman, deliverman, whatever, have manhandled my package with my tent. The tent I was planning to sleep an entire week in. What the heck do I do now? Well, I do have a car. Let's see if we can do anything with this. So I just stopped the car outside of Arjeplog and I'm gonna go to sleep. Welcome to my humble abode. I actually, I have the light strings all around, but when I lit them up, they just got way too bright. So save some batteries and just have the one. I have been driving for 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 4.5 hours. And it just felt like the right time to stop now. And close to like a camping spot or camping area. I'm gonna take out my sleeping bag and just fall asleep now. I'm actually quite tired. And hopefully tomorrow we'll see what Arjeplog looks like. Good morning. First night in the car. Well, went well. But it rained so much and I could not find my earplugs. I know they are somewhere. I just couldn't find them. Woke up a couple of times, but that is to be expected. Now I'm gonna pull down this and see. Oh, maybe I just put a foot down this and see what weather do we have today. Let's see. Yeah, cloudy. I just realized that the time it's 8:30, like 20 to 9. which is way later than I actually wanted to get going, but since I drove so late, I let myself sleep. But also that means I think I'm gonna go into a gas station and fill up the car again and buy my breakfast there. Not really maybe very camping-y, to not rip out this the camping kitchen, but it will save me time, and I want to get going again, so that's what we'll do. If you're wondering why the place like there, it says Arjeplog, and then it is also says Arjeplog, but in Sami language. The Sami language, which is the case on all the road signs for places when you come up north in Sweden. It says both in Swedish and in Sami language. Back on the road, coffee is purchased and a sandwich. And now I am just talking to you for a bit by a lake just outside Arjeplog, and I am turning my car towards Norway. You see, yeah, I mean, let's talk about this. I mean, yes, I could have ordered and fixed the tent for my hike way earlier, because I have known that I am going to do this trip for a long time. But health, life, etc. I pushed it up, which was dumb. But then I ordered it. It was in good time, but the mail service here in Sweden have completely manhandled my package, which made the delivery not possible. So they sent it back to where I bought it. So I pivoted, and here I am now in my car, because I'm not gonna do this trip. I mean, I have a car, so I can just try car camping. I've never tried that before. And as of last night, it worked very well. And now I am going towards Norway. We will see. I've never been. Well, I've been to Mo i Rana like once when I was a kid. I think my parents, we were in the Swedish mountains, and then we just went over to this small Norwegian city. And I think my parents just wanted to show me. They just not even show. They wanted to look for themselves if it was expensive in the food stores, in the grocery store, which it is in Norway. So it's gonna be very interesting to see. And then we'll see where I go. I am gonna just see where I want to go this week. I have 1 week before I have to be back home. So let's go. Let's not waste any more time.
Wait for the wind, wait for the night.
At this point, I still felt like my head was going in like 200, just spinning around, and the stress was still lingering in my body. I really, really hoped that this trip were gonna give me some serenity, both in my mind and in my soul. We'll see. Let's continue on.
Right till the